Let's look at the US dollar chart on the weekly time frame. You can see it took here liquidity out and filled the FUG. Next week I think it can refill the complete FUG, but then I think it should go bullish. If you take standard deviation from here to here, you'll perfectly get the next high, which is our overall liquidity target. On the S&P, you see it just refilled the FUG as well, and then after going really down, it retraced up. On the daily chart, you can see SMT divergence with Nasdaq and also a breaker, which happened here. It also got respected, and I think on the S&P next week it will be overall bearish. My draw is here fake trendline liquidity, also this low, and overall it's here in this range. If you take your standard deviation again from here to here on the 4-hour chart, you get something about here. If you take your standard deviation from here to here, you get perfectly this low and this low. So this will be my next draw on liquidity. The NQ chart is really sloppy. You can see a lot of liquidity on the buy side here. It's pretty equal highs, but you can see a liquidity grab and respect, which shows also bearishness. But next week I will mainly trade S&P because it can always go up there because there's a lot of liquidity. But you can, on the higher time frame, here are a lot of order blocks. The purple lines are order blocks. Overall, I think it's also bearish as S&P, and these equal lows are my draw for next week.